So every day, this is coming to office is like coming to your friends where you're working together with people. You're working in a group which is trying to do something new every day.
You know, this place gets a lot of energy. It does, also brightens up, and you can just vitalize yourself when you are here.
Airtel Payments Bank is progressive because we have done a lot and we are doing a lot many things. We have to achieve a lot.
We are the first payments bank that is live in India. So the whole field is open for us to innovate, to come up with unique product propositions for our customers, which also means that we product managers at Airtel Payments Bank have to be creative every day.
Riley Media had coined this term as Web 2.0, and Brett King said banking is still at 3.0, so we are already one step ahead of what internet is going into. If you get to think that way, the entire industry is evolving into a disruptive mode, and Airtel Payments Bank is a premier example of that. So having said that, there is no day when we don't work on new projects.
Being the first category and first in India, yes, everything and anything that you do is all about innovation, because it's who you are going to innovate and the others are going to follow you.
We are working on Aadhaar OTP, we are working on full KYC wallet, we are working as to how as a payments bank we can do good for people who are banked, unbanked and debanked, all three sorts of masses.
The opportunities here are challenging. They are challenging because of two reasons. One is scale. Airtel has a large scale of customer base. And second is the brand image of Airtel, which is obviously huge. People expect a lot. We have to live up to its name.
We support mobile as a vehicle of banking, and for project if I talk about, there are few projects which are very challenging, starting from the payment modes which we support like NEFT, RTGS, IMPS.
I created the brand, I created the look, I created the imagery, and with every step, because the ecosystem itself is so huge that you can't, even if you want to, you cannot restrict yourself to one particular stream.
Working on new products, that's the biggest learning opportunity. Making new relationships, so I'm in alliances, so I do different sort of partnerships. I bring on board people for the new products which we bring in. This is a learning opportunity, how you deal with people, how you make things happen in this environment where there is immense competition already existing, how we change the behavior of customer. That's an immense learning opportunity anybody could have.
While we were starting the operations out of Rajasthan, we had to scale up the number of savings account which we had to do. So it was definitely a very enriching experience.
The impact that I personally feel that Airtel Payments Bank can create to the society is largely educating every Indian through talking about money and how they can save money, informing every Indian about through the technology and the ecosystem that Airtel Payments Bank has, engage every Indian by creating an impact on them through our offline and online ecosystem, and involve every Indian in our world of Airtel Payments Bank.
Payments Bank were incorporated with a specific mission of financial inclusion. This is what we started off with. This is why we are catering to the people who have inactive bank accounts or do not have bank accounts. We're trying to give them a concept of neighborhood banking. It's not a product or a service. It's a concept, it's an experience.
We have a deep presence of our retailers, even in deep interior locations. So the entire concept is that if you step out from your home, you will have the access to our products.